Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 1. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to provide you with an overview of Module 1. When we look at the calendar, remember that Module 1 does run over 2 weeks, and we will have a discussion board that first week and then a second discussion board the subsequent week. So the discussion boards do run consecutively and not concurrently. Module 1 does have a number of resources for you. There is a strong emphasis within this module on primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention. And those terms I know are not new to you, but you will be asked to explore and consider them in more detail across Module 1. The crucial role of primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention strategies, again, will be explored, and you'll be asked to examine the significance of coordination and collaboration and healthcare across these levels of prevention. You will also be asked to explore complementary and alternative medicine, which is an essential element of integrative medicine, along with preventative medicine. You will also be asked to consider the arguments for an integrative approach in healthcare and what is the quality of evidence associated with the levels of prevention. Finally, what are the challenges of complementary and alternative medicine? You will find a number of resources relative to integrative medicine within Module 1. Module 1 also introduces you to the impact of the environment. So the impact of environmental factors on health and disease, and you'll be asked to explore how to lessen the impact of environmental factors on chronic disease. You will also be asked to explore environmental public health tracking. Are you familiar with environmental public health tracking systems and the role that the tracking system plays? We know that it is significant in its ability to empower communities to focus on local needs and community concerns. Environmental public health encompasses a number of components, we know that, such as food, safety, water quality, lead, and much more. Finally, when we look at Module 1, you'll be reintroduced to the term upstream thinking. And I don't believe that that's a new term for you. There is a video that will provide you with a refresher on upstream thinking, but the video itself does a very nice job of illustrating the significance of investing upstream in prevention rather than downstream. There are, again, a number of resources available to you across Module 1. I would recommend that you take some time to look at the earlier resources and then move into the supplementary materials. The supplementary materials will be very beneficial to you as you answer the discussion board questions within Module 1. Within Module 1, you will be asked to identify evidence-based strategies within population health to address a particular issue. The issues we know are varied and might include obesity, hypertension, diabetes, and more. But these supplementary resources will be very beneficial to you in finding out evidence-based strategies to address a particular health issue or chronic disease. So please do take some time to review those materials. It is excellent. There are excellent resources across the module. Recall that our discussion board does run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. through Saturday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions as we move through this first module, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much.